Hey class, Professor Kev here. Today's business networking tip is called You Need to Do It More Than Once. This morning, I saw my friend Christine had done a post. She went out to a networking event, met a potential referral partner, and they got together to have coffee so they could build that know, like, and trust. They could build comfort level with each other. That's what you need to do. My friend Dawn, she used to refer to it as drive-by networking. I just love that one. She's like, I go to events, people sit next to me. Now, Dawn's a really good connector. They talk to me for 10 minutes and they're hoping I'm going to refer all my contacts to them. Not gonna happen. So it's like, it's taken me years to build these connections. I got to really know you before I'm comfortable enough to recommend you. Sitting next to you at an event, having a slice of pizza with you, not enough. That's why you have to follow up. That was yesterday's. If you don't follow up, you weren't there. This is why. You got to build that connection request so that people are comfortable with you and they'll be okay referring you. Unfortunately, this is hard. My expression is the bigger the financial investment, the longer it takes to build a connection. If you ever met me, you know I love Mountain Dew, you know I love pizza. You send me a picture, hey, Kev, you tried this Mountain Dew? No, I haven't. I go out and I buy it. It's horrible. I'm out $3. Very rare. I think a Mountain Dew is horrible, but it's the same thing with pizza. I like pizza. I like greasy pizza. You send it to me, I try it, like, it wasn't great. I'm out $20. Who cares? Now, if it's thousands of dollars on the line and you recommend someone and they don't do what they're supposed to do, it hurts. It's going to hurt my brand for recommending you. It takes time to build those connections. You can't just go to an event once and expect magic to happen. You got to take the time to build it. And this is the thing that we often skip. So now, if you're a job seeker, a college student job seeker, and you meet someone who may be able to help you, offer to meet them. Hey, can we meet for coffee? Can we Zoom? Gonna go on a tangent for a minute here, so bear with me. Make it convenient for the other person. So often at this point in my life, I have people reaching out to me asking for help, and it's really me helping them. It's not a reciprocal relationship. It's just me using my experience, my network to help them. Make it convenient for me, okay? I have people like, oh, I'd love to buy you coffee. Well, you live an hour away from me. I'm not driving an hour to your office, okay? Or wherever you are. I've had this happen many times. Well, there's a coffee shop right across the street from my office. Bro, your office is an hour away from my house. You want me to drive an hour, spend 30 minutes with you, giving you free advice, and drive an hour back? Especially once the semester starts, I just don't have time, and people get mad. Make it about the other person if it's not a reciprocal relationship. If you're hoping they're going to help you find a job or they're going to share their contacts with you to help you start your career, make it convenient for the other person, okay? But again, it takes time. You can't just show up once, pass out a card or connect on LinkedIn and expect that magic to happen. We talked about that yesterday. That's why Christine's approach works. You meet someone, you know you maybe have some business chemistry with that person, good referral source, got to take it to the next step. And it may be a couple steps after that. You meet, and yeah, seems like we have some business chemistry here. We may be able to refer each other, but keep building it. Because what I see happen is people start to build it and then they go away. They don't reach out. Like, hey, we haven't spoken in a while. I'm going to this event, or hey, I know your office is in Chelmsford. I'm going to be in Chelmsford. Any chance you're around? Let's grab a quick cup of coffee just to catch up. When you don't do that, someone else does. I've seen this many, many times. Is they just, all of a sudden I didn't hear from the person, and now, I see they're referring business to someone else because you let that relationship go dry. So you got to stay top of mind and stuff. I understand not everything's going to be a reciprocal relationship. I felt bad. I had a guy going back years. He's like, I've been referring a bunch of business to this guy. He hasn't referred anything to me. And I laughed and he's like, it's not funny. I'm like, yeah, it kind of is. And he's really mad. I'm like, did you ever meet his wife? No, why? She does what you do, bro. Why is he going to refer to you? He's taking money out of his own household. Like, it's not going to happen, bro. And he's like, oh, I didn't know that. Well, now you do. Now, again, this person may be a good person for you to refer to. They do a great job and you may want to use them. But if you're hoping for that exchange of referrals, you're probably going to be sad. So that's today's business networking tip. You want to talk about networking, have questions you want me to answer for you, shoot me a message. More than happy to chat with you, see if I can do anything to help you. As always, I appreciate you taking a few minutes to watch my video, and I hope you're having a truly dazzling day.